Hello there, Samuel. Do you have anything to say this morning? So you have the hiccups? No. I know you don't like the hiccups, do you? Can you say hello? Okay. Say goodbye.